Now if you want to add a bookmark in your document, you just need to select what you want to bookmark and click on the bookmark. Now here if I want, then I can write a name of the bookmark. Let's say we say bookmark 1 and we'll say add. Now this is the bookmark that we have created, and this one you can link wherever you want to link in your document. Suppose that on one page you have written something about the bookmark. After selecting the bookmark, you can create a hyperlink to your bookmark. Supposing that if I want this word definition to be hyperlinked to my bookmark, what will I do? I'll select this word definition and I'll click on the hyperlink. And I'll click on the place in this document. Click on the option. Now I'll click on the option place in this document, and then under bookmarks I'll mark the bookmark 1 and say OK. Now here we have hyperlinked our bookmark, and whenever somebody clicks to the definition, he or she will be able to read this place or see this place where we bookmarked.